Hello, good day everyone. I understand if mathematics for some people is something to be scared about, but that doesn't necessarily have to be your story. I understand the struggle because I've been there. That's why today I'm gonna teach you a mental math technique. I'm gonna show you how to multiply any two-digit number by 11 fast and mentally. Okay, how about if we get right into it? Okay, for example, you have 63 times 11. Now all you need to do is you just split the digits apart. So 6 and 3, and then you add these two digits together, and then you get 9, right? And then you place the sum at their middle. That's the answer. 63 times 11 is 693. Let's have another example. 35 times 11. Okay, just as what we did with the previous example, split the digits apart and then add them together and then place the sum at the middle. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And then that's your answer. 35 times 11 is 385. Let's go to the third example. For example, you have 39 times 11. Again, split them apart and then add the two digits. Then you get 12. Now, what makes this example entirely different from the last two examples that we had is this one has two-digit number at the middle. So what you need to do is you add this number, this digit to this digit here. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 2, 9. So 39 times 11 is 429. How about let's go to our last example. So if you have 87 times 11, split the digits apart and then add them. 8 plus 7 becomes 15. Place it at the middle. As I've told you, add this digit to this one. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 5, 7. That's your answer. 87 times 11 is 957. Okay, so now that I have already shown you how to do it, I believe that you have already have a very long way towards learning about mathematics. So just a little bit of practice and try to do it with your friends and relatives. Try asking them to give you a number and then have it multiplied by 11 and then do it mentally. So that's all for now. This is Engineer Reagan. Bye.